And ever wonder what happens when big money and big media collide? Um, it's more than just a business deal. It's a potential shift in power. And right now, a proposed merger between Paramount and Warner Brothers is raising eyebrows in Washington. For months, Warner Brothers has been fielding offers with Paramount emerging as the frontrunner. But this isn't a simple transaction. It's a complex web of investment, and concerns are mounting about where that money is coming from. And 7 Democratic US senators recently sent a letter to the FCC questioning the speed at which this deal is being considered. That US senator, they fear a lack of thorough investigation, especially given the significant amount of foreign funding involved. New FCC rules, effective January 2026, limit foreign ownership in media companies to 25%. So the senators are worried that this deal could push past that limit, with around 40% of streaming content potentially controlled by a single entity in the letter specifically highlights investments from the Middle East, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and Abu Dhabi, and Tencent, a company linked to the Chinese government. They're demanding a rigorous review to ensure national security isn't compromised. And Paramount insists these investors won't have voting rights, but the senators want independent verification. They're asking the FCC to conduct a full investigation, make all financial documents public, and solicit public comment. They also want coordination with other government agencies like the Department of Justice before any approval is granted. The senators are pushing back against the idea that this deal shouldn't require extensive FCC. So it's not just about money. It's about influence. And when powerful entities control the flow of information, it's crucial to understand their motivations. And the FCC has a responsibility to protect the integrity of the media landscape. This deal presents an opportunity for Paramount and its CEO, David Ellison, to reassure both audiences and politicians. Whether they can navigate these challenges remains to be seen. Speaking of navigating challenges, did you hear about the streaming service that got lost at sea? It had too much content and no direction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.